sponsors, and especially for our president and our family, for the trust that you have given us and all the things and the work that you have ours to. Your example, your legacy has been the life that I have to be able to achieve the 74 and the goodness that we have for the 70th anniversary. So thank you so much for this. Truly appreciate it. I have a lot of questions here from some of you, so we'll take advantage of these questions and definitely we will be able to talk about some of these and we're all be able to make a follow-up on them. It says, what has been the most special moment for you during this competition? Well, definitely for me, in a personal way, one of the most amazing moments is to see our fans. The joy that fans share with them, the corridors of the hotel, hear the corridors of the arena, the passion that people has for this amazing package, for the special things for me. But also, I really want to be able to take a time to thank the people of Ireland. You have been a great host in every corner, in every hotel, in every place. I have found a smile for all our days. And for that, I'm grateful. Thank you so much for that. Okay, this is question number one. This is question number two. How is the organization supporting the contestants in their personal and social impact projects? That's a great question. As you know, we have the development of a vision that our president has asked for 3 years to be able to make sure that every woman that works with us can be able to be our ambassador for the country, so especially for a special charity. So I'm actually made an amazing video in your own charity projects in Mexico. And as you have seen, we will be able to make this after the crown. So the beginning of the program hopes to be able to endorse and work with 120 charities around the United States, education, health, water sanitation, and all this. I know that we will be able to make an impact because of you, but especially to our members that will be traveling around the world. We're really excited to be able to do this. So thank you for this opportunity. Another question says, what makes this year's edition unique compared to previous years? Well, this is an amazing question, also because every edition is different. Each and every one left something in our hearts. For me, it has a special place in my heart, just for the fact that it has been given to our organization. We were very blessed to work with at least 30 nationalities, so hundreds of people that are backstage. And I want to be able to thank them that travel to be able to be here in Thailand to be able to do this amazing edition. Last year we were at home, so definitely it was for us more easy to be able to work because it was our country, but today we will feel that nevertheless that we were not in Mexico, we feel that it was our country because we have an amazing working here in Thailand and especially with you. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Okay, this is a question.
Ba't naman napuno ang lugar?
This is like a question for Fatima. What can the role of Senator be in the universe in the upcoming year, and how do you want to be remembered as the ministry?
Hello to everyone from behalf.
these skills was the heart, what is your heart for advocacy, and you want to be effective in what you're doing with all of these stuff.
I have been working since I was 15 years old in the Oncological Hospital in Glasgow with kids with cancer. And I also work in the preservation of the human worldwide. And I'm a designer and I work with the girls. So I have a lot of processes that I believe that I want to make fun. But I believe that this world needs a lot of work. So I don't want to just focus on one. And I know that this field has supplementary organizations that help you. And we are not going to learn about them also. And I don't know if somewhere they need to their hands, I would be there too.
Okay,นับด้านหลัง10แบ็คแจ็คแบ็ค
Fatima here. Mr. Raul from CNN, sir. Can you answer this question? Mr. Omar has accused that the result was rigged. What would be your comments on that?
Oh my God.
Just because you asked me, I believe prefer to say things that they are true. I will share you
Microphone.
my
He just posted on his Instagram like 2 hours ago. He says that you know the result at 24 hours.
You can hear me. Because I will share you. Es que no me dedico a people say something to me. No, the social media is an amazing tool we have. But we need to use correctly. You can read. He's saying. You can read. The best solution is to cancel the fair press election. And we do it again tomorrow with all the jury members who are arriving tonight. I cannot be involved. And I say to him, I will cancel you. You cannot be more judge. And he say me, and what is the reason that you cancel me? And this is the reason. We were talking about the Beyond the Ground, our philanthropic program for social benefits that has been working on for the whole year. And you have missed this project with unfortunately message. This is the reason why. And he responded, I don't know about it, nobody informed me. Is enough the answer? This is the truth. This is the truth, and he really lied. He really lied because he wants to call the light, the reflector in 2 minutes. And in Miss Universe, nobody can call the lights. The only ones who can shine are our Miss Universe around the world. I don't want to say more. This is enough. This is enough. I answered you.
Oh my God! What's happening? OMG. Anong award to? Best country? What? Country tour. Siya pala yung girl.
Si ano yan? Si Oko. Oo. Hiroko Mima.
Best country tour?
Di ba yan yung napanudulan ni Mama Chica?
National Director.
I think best in national director. Tama ba yung pagkakaintindi ko?
Country tour.
Country ano?
Country tour. Bakit ano? Bakit country tour?
Hindi kapag bumibisa na siguro.
Ayun. Ay, ano to? Second place? Third place? Ganon? Ano niya? Dalawa sila, ganon?
Dos acá, por favor. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Acá, Fatima, por favor. 1, 2, 3. Gracias.
Andyan siya. Andyan siya.
Mama John, nasa saan ka?
Peru!
Best National Director.
Peru!
Dahil dyan, magpapalak si Mamshi.
Dahil dyan may pa-lunch na sila.
Inatin siya kanina eh.
Alam ko andyan siya.
Kung alam ko lang kung nakubuhan. Pero!
Peru!
Congratulations!
Congrats!
Best National.
Anong national ano? National ano?
Bravo, pero! And the best